बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे जनवरी 21 2024 के अखबार में। पोजीशन ओपन, अकाउंट्स, आ रेप्यूटेबल कंपनी रिक्वायर्स ए फाइनेंस मैनेजर विद एटलीस्ट 3 years of experience in manufacturing concerns with professional accounting qualifications. Interested candidates can WhatsApp their CV/resume to 0300 05 44434, 0300 05 44434 and 0300 05 44462, 0300 05 44462. Accountant required in Korangi Creek Industrial Park, Karachi. MBA or BCom with at least 3 years finance experience. Candidates may send resumes at kbfinance10@gmail.com mentioning current and expected salary. Required female/male. Accountant fresh MBA should be fully capable of handling computerized accounting software. Must have good knowledge of MS Word, MS Excel and preparing final accounts. Handsome salary. Candidates living near Clifton/Defence will be given preference. Apply with CV and photograph by email prime.11user@gmail.com. Required part-time computer oriented accountant by PBT Limited, company near Civil Hospital, Karachi. Dealing in scientific lab items. Contact cell number 0333 0333 Site area needs account assistant for factory work. Contact 0300 824 33528, 0300 824 33528. Administration. A well-reputed Korangi-based garment export company invites application from the qualified, experienced and professional individual as admin manager working under the direct supervision of the director. He will be responsible for supporting the overall administration functions including electrical, maintenance, HSE and transportation. The key function of this position is to oversee the proper implementation of the internal standard operating procedures and systems across project operations. The candidate should have commerce graduate. कॉमर्स वालों के लिए जॉब है. With at least 5 years of relevant experience in a similar post. The age of the candidate should be 30 to 35 year. मेमन प्रेफर और मेमन होने चाहिए. मेमन वालों को तरजीह दी जाएगी. Candidate fulfilling the above criteria may please send their CV at apparelindustry4@gmail.com. Apparel APPAREL industry INDUSTRY4@gmail.com. Seeking a detailed oriented admin प्रोफेशनल विद फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है स्पोकन एंड रिटन, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, मंडे टू थर्सडे 10:30 to 16, फ्राइडे 10:30 to 31 hours weekly, 30,000 to 35,000 rupees per month. Call us on 0319 2032 408, 0319 2032 408. Must be able to commute to Gulshan Myanmar for work. कंप्यूटर्स की जॉब है. डेटा एनालिस्ट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर स्टार्टअप initiatives. Interested candidate must have willingness to fetch out new talents and be the forefront lead to launch products with the help of digital marketing. Apply. interact@parksaf.com. Required data entry operators, male/female, fresh graduates having good knowledge and command in English. Maximum typing speed in Microsoft Office, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ एक्सेल, वर्ड एंड पावर पॉइंट, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, पिक्चर एडिटिंग एंड इन कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम. सैलरी ₹35,000 to 40,000. लिविंग नियर डिफेंस/क्लिफ्टन एरिया. अप्लाई विद CV एंड फोटोग्राफ बाय ईमेल hm26@yahoo.com. सोशल मीडिया कंटेंट डेवलपर. Required preferably excelled in agri sector products. Apply indirect at parksaf.com. We need computer operator having same sales knowledge. Address DHA phase 7 031 222 45 417 031 222 45 417. CV व्हाट्सएप करें। इंजीनियरिंग की जॉब है। इंजीनियरिंग लोकेशन कराची पाकिस्तान। जॉब टाइप फुल टाइम। सैलरी कॉम्पिटिटिव बेस्ड सैलरी प्लस बेनिफिट्स। जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन हाईटेक engineering is seeking an estimation engineer to join our team. The ideal candidate should have experience in the estimation and design of low voltage switchgear as well as proficiency in AutoCAD and other design software. To apply for this position, send your CVs to hr.info@hec.pk@gmail.com. A leading trade organization requires for immediate appointment young, energetic and devoted graduates, preferably textile engineers (bracket में लिखा हुआ है) at least 5 years experience of research work (bracket close), who must be computer literate, proficient, having good demand in English and Urdu, able to efficiently correspond, communicate and coordinate, compile reports and presentations. Interested candidates may send their biodata with expected salary by 27th January 2024 at candyvac@gmail.com. Mechanical, mechatronics, electrical and instrumentation engineers required for the sales and services in fertilizer, refinery and oil and gas industries. Candidates having 3 to 5 years experience may apply at hr@globalcorporationpk.com. hr@globalcorporationpk.com. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।